Hey everyone, it's Reena Malik here, and today we're diving into something that so many of you have been asking me about: those annoying tingling hands, weak legs, and that feeling like your strength is just slipping away after 60. You know that moment when you're trying to open a jar or walk up a flight of stairs and your body just doesn't respond the way it used to? Well, listen carefully, because the secret to bringing back your strength and stability might just be sitting on your plate. See, after 60, your body naturally produces less collagen, the protein that keeps your joints smooth, your skin firm, and your muscles strong. And when collagen drops, you start feeling that stiffness, numbness, and weakness creeping in. But the good news, you can actually boost your collagen naturally. And it starts with the right foods. So today, I'm sharing the top collagen-rich foods that can help you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs for good. All right, let's start with one of my favorites, bone broth. I know, it sounds old school, but it's literally liquid gold for your joints and muscles. When you simmer bone slowly, all that collagen, gelatin, and amino acids get released into the broth. A warm cup a day can do wonders for your mobility and even your gut health. I personally love adding a bit of ginger and turmeric. It's soothing, healing, and absolutely delicious. Next up, eggs. Don't skip those yolks. The whites have proline, one of the key amino acids your body needs to make collagen, while the yolks are loaded with nutrients that support collagen production. Have them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet with some veggies. Simple, powerful, and perfect for breakfast. Now let's talk about fish, especially those with skin, like salmon and sardines. Fish skin is a collagen treasure. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids in them help reduce inflammation that often causes stiffness and nerve tingling. If you're vegetarian, don't worry, I've got you covered too. Go for soy products like tofu or tempeh, which contain genistein, a plant compound that boosts collagen and keeps your bones strong. Another amazing food: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, they're rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breaking down. And if you want to take it up a notch, mix them with some Greek yogurt. You'll get a creamy, collagen-supporting snack that also helps your muscles recover. Oh, and let's not forget seeds. Chia, flax, and pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc and copper, two minerals your body needs to build collagen. Sprinkle them over salads, blend them into smoothies, or just munch on a handful every day. And finally, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, they're loaded with chlorophyll, which helps your body make more collagen naturally. The more greens you eat, the better your muscles and skin will feel. So if you're over 60 and noticing that tingling, that weakness, or even joint pain sneaking in, start feeding your body what it's craving. Collagen isn't just about looking younger, it's about feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident in your own body again. Try adding at least 2 or 3 of these foods to your daily meals and watch the difference within a few weeks. Your hands will feel steadier, your steps firmer, and your energy will slowly start coming back. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural tips to keep your body feeling its best at every age. This is Reena Malik, reminding you it's never too late to rebuild your strength and glow from the inside out. I'll see you in the next one. As we age, one of the biggest changes our body goes through is the natural decline in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that acts like the glue holding everything together: our skin, joints, muscles, bones, even blood vessels. But after the age of 60, our body slows down in producing it, and that's when many people start noticing those uncomfortable signs: tingling hands, weak legs, stiff joints, and a general loss of strength. It might feel like your body is giving up on you, but the truth is, it's just asking for more support. The good news is that you can help your body rebuild its collagen stores naturally, simply by giving it the right foods and nutrients every day. When collagen levels drop, your muscles and nerves don't communicate as smoothly as before. This can cause that pins and needles sensation or numbness in your hands and feet, which many older adults confuse with circulation problems. But in many cases, it's actually your connective tissues losing their strength and flexibility. By eating foods that naturally boost collagen, you're not only supporting your muscles and joints, but also helping your nerves function more efficiently. That means fewer tingling sensations and better control of your movements. Let's take bone broth as an example. It's one of the richest natural sources of collagen you can get. It's packed with gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that help rebuild and strengthen tissues. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth daily can help ease stiffness in your knees, shoulders, and back, while also improving digestion. For older adults, that's a huge plus because better digestion means better absorption of nutrients your body needs to stay active and energetic. If you're vegetarian, you can still benefit from collagen-boosting nutrients by focusing on foods rich in vitamin C, zinc, and copper. These are essential for your body to produce collagen on its own. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, guava, and bell peppers, acts like a spark that starts the collagen building process. Without enough vitamin C, even if you eat collagen-rich foods, your body won't be able to use them effectively. That's why adding a small fruit salad or even just a squeeze of lemon over your meals can make a real difference. Zinc, on the other hand, helps repair tissues and supports healthy cell growth. You can get it from seeds, nuts, and lentils. And copper, found in mushrooms, dark chocolate, and leafy greens, strengthens your connective tissue and keeps your blood vessels flexible. Another simple and enjoyable way to boost collagen is through protein-rich foods like eggs and fish. Egg whites are full of proline, one of the amino acids your body uses to create collagen. And fish, especially those with skin like salmon or sardines, contain marine collagen that your body absorbs easily. For older adults, this means better muscle tone, improved joint movement, and even stronger bones, because collagen works closely with calcium to keep your skeleton healthy. What many people don't realize is that boosting collagen isn't just about preventing wrinkles or looking younger, it's about keeping your body strong from the inside out. Collagen forms the framework that supports your muscles, ligaments, and tendons, so when it starts breaking down, it affects your balance and stability too. By eating collagen-boosting foods regularly, you help your body maintain that framework, which can reduce the risk of falls and improve your mobility. You might also notice other benefits like smoother skin, stronger nails, and healthier hair because collagen supports all these structures as well. But most importantly, when your joints feel less stiff, your legs feel stronger, and your hands stop tingling, you get back a sense of independence and confidence in your daily activities. You can walk, cook, garden, or play with your grandkids without that nagging weakness holding you back. That's the real power of boosting collagen naturally. It helps you feel more like yourself again, no matter your age. As we grow older, our body goes through changes that can make us feel weaker, slower, and less steady on our feet. One of the biggest reasons behind this is the gradual loss of collagen, a protein that keeps our muscles, joints, and bones strong and flexible. By the time we reach 60, our collagen production has dropped significantly, which means our joints may start to ache, our muscles might feel tired faster, and our overall strength begins to fade. But the good news is that the food we eat can make a powerful difference. Including collagen-rich foods in your daily diet can help restore some of that lost strength, making it easier to move, bend, lift, and walk with confidence again. Collagen-rich foods don't just help with beauty or skin health, they play a vital role in keeping your body's structure strong. Think of collagen as the cushion between your bones and the glue that holds your muscles together. When your body has enough of it, your joints move smoothly and painlessly, and your muscles recover faster after daily activities. For older adults, this is especially important because as we age, it's not just about staying active, it's about maintaining mobility and independence. When your joints hurt less, you walk more. When your muscles stay strong, you can climb stairs or carry groceries without feeling exhausted. Adding foods like bone broth, fish, eggs, and chicken skin into your meals can give your body the raw materials it needs to build and repair collagen. Bone broth, for example, is a warm, soothing drink that delivers natural gelatin and amino acids straight to your joints and connective tissues. It's easy to digest, comforting for the stomach, and full of nutrients that support joint flexibility. If you prefer something lighter, fish like salmon, tuna, or sardines are wonderful options because they contain marine collagen, which your body absorbs efficiently. The omega-3 fats in fish also help reduce inflammation, meaning less swelling and pain in your knees, hips, or fingers. Eggs are another simple yet powerful source of collagen-boosting nutrients. Now, the whites contain proline, an amino acid that helps your body form collagen, while the yolks provide essential vitamins and minerals that support tissue repair. Having a boiled egg in the morning or adding eggs to your salad can be a small change that gives big results for your strength and energy. For those who prefer plant-based foods, there are plenty of options too. Soy products like tofu and tempeh, beans, seeds, and nuts all support collagen production thanks to their protein, zinc, and copper content. But it's not just about eating collagen-rich foods, it's also about protecting the collagen you already have. Vitamin C plays a key role in this. Without it, your body can't convert collagen-forming amino acids into usable collagen. So adding citrus fruits, berries, guava, or even a squeeze of lemon to your meals can supercharge your body's ability to repair itself. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also excellent because they contain chlorophyll, which may increase the amount of collagen in your skin and tissues. When you consistently include collagen-rich foods in your diet, you'll begin to feel a difference in your body. Your legs will feel steadier, your grip will feel stronger, and those nagging aches that used to slow you down may start to ease up. You might notice that you can walk for longer without getting tired, or that your balance improves because your muscles and tendons are better supported. For older adults, these changes can mean regaining confidence and independence, being able to get up from a chair easily, go for a morning walk, or enjoy gardening again without discomfort. Even your bones benefit because collagen makes up about 1/3 of your bone structure. As it declines, bones become brittle and more prone to fractures. Eating foods rich in collagen, along with vitamin D and calcium, can help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. That's why nutrition isn't just about feeling good, it's about strengthening your foundation from the inside out. By focusing on collagen-rich foods every day, you're giving your body the support it needs to stay active, flexible, and resilient. It's a simple, natural way to keep your muscles strong, your joints smooth, and your movements steady so you can continue doing all the things you love without pain holding you back. After the age of 60, many people start feeling like their energy is fading away. Tasks that once felt easy, like walking up the stairs, standing for long periods, or even carrying groceries, begin to feel heavier and more tiring. This is not just about age. It's about how the body changes from the inside. One of the main reasons behind this drop in strength and energy is the decline in collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your muscles, joints, and connective tissues strong and flexible. When it starts to decrease, your body loses some of its natural support, leading to weakness, stiffness, and slower movement. But there's hope. By eating the right foods that help your body make and preserve collagen, you can restore not only your strength, but also your overall vitality and mobility, helping you live more actively and comfortably even in your senior years. Revitalizing your energy and mobility through nutrition is one of the most effective and natural ways to fight the signs of aging. Collagen-rich foods help rebuild the foundation of your body's strength from within. When your body has enough collagen, your muscles hold more power, your joints move smoothly, and your bones stay sturdy. This means you can walk longer distances, bend and stretch without discomfort, and even get back to enjoying activities you may have stopped doing because of weakness or fatigue. The beauty of this approach is that it's not about supplements or medications. It's about nourishing your body with wholesome, natural foods that support its natural repair process. Let's imagine how this works. When you eat foods rich in collagen, like bone broth, chicken skin, fish with skin, or egg whites, your body absorbs the amino acids it needs to rebuild muscle fibers and connective tissues. Over time, this helps your legs feel stronger and your hands more stable. It also helps improve blood flow, which is essential for energy and alertness. For many older adults, poor circulation can cause that constant feeling of tiredness or numbness in the hands and feet. Collagen helps strengthen the walls of your blood vessels, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles more efficiently, giving you that light, energized feeling throughout the day. If you prefer vegetarian or lighter options, you can still boost collagen production with foods that help your body create it naturally. Vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, kiwis, papayas, and bell peppers play a major role in helping your body produce collagen. Zinc and copper, found in seeds, nuts, and leafy greens, are also essential minerals that protect existing collagen and help build new tissue. Combining these nutrients with enough protein from lentils, tofu, or beans can do wonders for your muscle strength and flexibility. When your diet is rich in these nutrients, you're not just feeding your body, you're restoring its foundation of vitality. Mobility is one of the most precious gifts as we age, and collagen plays a key role in preserving it. When your joints and tendons are strong, your movements become smoother and more stable. You feel more confident walking outdoors, climbing stairs, or simply getting up from a chair. This also reduces the risk of falls or injuries, which can be life-changing for older adults. Collagen supports not just your movement, but also your balance, posture, and reaction time because your muscles and joints are working in harmony. There's another benefit to revitalizing your energy through collagen-rich foods, better recovery. As we age, our bodies take longer to heal after exertion or small injuries. Collagen helps speed up this repair process by strengthening tissues and reducing inflammation. That means less soreness, less stiffness, and a quicker bounce back after physical activity. Even something as simple as a daily walk or light yoga session becomes easier and more enjoyable when your body has the nutrients it needs to recover properly. Over time, these changes add up in the most meaningful ways. You may notice your mornings feeling lighter, your steps becoming surer, and your stamina lasting longer throughout the day. You might find yourself doing things you once avoided, gardening, dancing, or simply playing with your grandchildren with more ease and joy. That's the beauty of nourishing your body from within. By choosing collagen-boosting foods and staying consistent, you're not only improving your physical strength, but also bringing back the spark of energy and confidence that helps you live life fully, no matter your age.